Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset and change your password on Microsoft Teams. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it for security reasons, this process will help you regain access to your account quickly and securely. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to teams.live.com. This is the web version of Microsoft Teams where you can manage your account settings. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll begin the password reset process. On the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your username. Go ahead and type in your Microsoft Teams username or email address, then click Next to proceed. The system will recognize your account and take you to the authentication page where you'll have several options for signing in. Now, instead of entering your password directly, click on Other ways to sign in. This will reveal alternative authentication methods available to you. From the options presented, select Use your password. This specific pathway is important because it gives you access to the password recovery feature that we need. Here's where the actual reset begins. Look for the link that says Forgot your password and click on it. This will redirect you to Microsoft's account recovery page where you'll need to verify your identity before creating a new password. Security is crucial here, so Microsoft wants to ensure it's really you requesting the change. To verify your identity, click on Get Code. Microsoft will send a verification code to your registered email address. This is a security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access, so you'll need to have access to the email associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Now, open your Gmail or whichever email service you use and look for the email from Microsoft. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you find it, open the email and copy the verification code provided. Switch back to the Microsoft Password Reset page and paste this code into the verification field, then click Next to confirm your identity. With your identity verified, you're now ready to create your new password. In the field provided, input your new password. Make sure it's strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. Below that, you'll see another field asking you to re-enter your password. Type the same password again to confirm there are no typos, then click Next, and there you have it. Your Microsoft Teams password has been successfully reset and changed. You can now use this new password to sign into Microsoft Teams and access all your conversations, files, and team collaborations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.